Hello, today I would like to share my life hack from my kitchen, how to make coffee and eggs at the same time while saving water and time. So that is my setup. As you can see, we have eggs boiling and coffee, espresso at the same time. So this is quite easy and in my opinion quite useful. So our coffee is done and now we're gonna pour it. As you can see, hot smoking coffee. I like my coffee with some milk, so I just leave some empty space for the milk in the cup. Yeah, so eggs will be done in a few seconds, and as you can see, when I removed the coffee pot, the water level just dropped, so my eggs would not be have been boiled properly if we didn't have this inside. So this is how you save water while making coffee and eggs at the same time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like.